what you do, you want to check to see if there's leaks in the system. What you do is you close the low side, leave the vacuum pump on, close the high side, close it tight, all the way, and you shut off the vacuum pump, and you look at your low side. See where the needle's at? Right where the 30's at, that little notch right there. Leave it for like a minute or two. If it moves up, that means you have a leak in the system. You gotta check your seals where you welded at. If it doesn't go anywhere, when you come back, if it stays at the same spot, then you're good. Keep running your back row after that.